Okay, if you're coming back from part 1, yeah, it's just, okay, let me just mix it in. Ooh, it's sparkly, okay. And then there's the charm of, I'm not sure what her name is. I keep forgetting it, but let's put it in. Look at it. It's just so cool. Ooh. Okay, you're gonna have to find this in the slime. 3, 2, 1. Try to find it. If you guessed right here, then you're right. Anyways, bye guys. And this is all the trash that it came with.